Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are seeing the Roblox error message, there was a problem receiving data, please reconnect. Error code 260. Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I will show you the step-by-step solution to fix it quickly and get you back into the game. So what does error code 260 mean? It usually happens when Roblox can't connect to the game server properly. This can be caused by poor internet firewall or antivirus blocking Roblox, or sometimes Roblox servers themselves having issues. So the first method is check Roblox server status. First, check if Roblox servers are down. Go to the Roblox status website or search Roblox status on Google. If servers are down, you just need to wait until Roblox fixes it. The second method is restart internet and router. If servers are fine, restart your Wi-Fi router or switch to a more stable internet connection. Sometimes unstable internet is the main cause. The third method is disable firewall or antivirus temporarily. Next, check if your firewall or antivirus is blocking Roblox. Disable them temporarily. Restart Roblox and see if the error goes away. Just remember to turn your protection back on once you are done. Method 4, clear Roblox cache. Go to your device settings. Scroll down. Go to apps. Search for Roblox. Click on it. Click on force stop. Click OK. Now go to storage. Click on clear cache. If you remember your login credential, your ID password, then click on clear data and then click on delete. Otherwise, do not click on it. Method 5, reinstall Roblox. If nothing works, uninstall Roblox completely and then reinstall it. This often fixes corrupted files that causes error 260. And that's it. These fixes should solve Roblox error code 260 for you. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Roblox fix tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on future tips. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.